dear students of class 5. I am Shon Kaji, your math teacher. I hope all of you are fine and safe and sound and stay in the home. To protect COVID-19, we are not allowed to go outside. All of our daily activities has been stopped. But we cannot stop our education. To continue our education, your school, New Loan, has taken some steps, and this video class is one of them. Please open your books and copies. Today we are going to start from fraction. Fraction. Most of us know about fraction in class 3 and class 4. What is fraction, right? The fraction is a part of a whole thing, right? A fraction is a part of whole thing. So, what do you mean? I think you can understand. Fraction is a part of whole thing. There are three types of fraction, right? Number one, what? Proper fraction. Two, improper fraction. Three, mixed fraction. Right? And you know what is proper fraction? When the numerator is less than the denominator, like that, 2/3, 1/5, etc. Right? The numerator is less than the denominator. On the other hand, improper fraction, you can see the example is if we make 3/2. Here the numerator is greater than its denominator. If I write 5/2, etc., you can see the numerator is greater than its denominator. And the mixed fraction, which fraction combined with the integer number or whole number. You can see what is 1 and, if you write 1 and 2/3, look here, this one is an integer number and 2/3 is a proper fraction. A fraction combined with an integer number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. So here is the three types, and with example you can see that. So now we are going to revise our previous lessons, some previous lessons about fractions. So you can see page number, go to page number 38. Book page 38. Book page 38. Number 3. You know how to find missing numbers. So number 3, 1. You can see 1/3 equal to blank divided by 6. Here, how do you find the missing number? Right? You can write this way. That 1/3 into, look here, 6, the denominator is greater 6 and here is 3, so you have to divide 6 divided by 3, it is 2, so you have to multiply 1 into 2, 3 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 to the 6, so you have to find the missing number. Have you found the missing number? 2. So it's easy, right? Answer? Two by 6. So thus this way you will solve the others problem also. Now we are solving number 4. The form, the lowest form. I hope you have already done that in class 4. But I will show you only one problems so that you can solve it at home. So number 1, you can see 6 by 12. If we cut it 6 by 12 here, you can see 6 on the 6, 6 to the 12. And 1 by 2, then you can find it. Or the optional way, you can solve it another way. So you can make it in the multiplication of prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 2 into 3. So now 12, you can see 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 3. So you are seeing that this is a multiplication of prime factors. I converted the multiplication converter. Now you can cut it. 2 cut, 3 cut. So here remain 1. You can find 1 by 2. I think you can understand the both way. So how to find out the lowest from. You can solve it direct method, no problem. You can solve it optional method. Here is completed the lowest from. So now the next one, addition and subtraction. I hope you know how to do addition and subtraction, but though I will solve you some other things like simplification. Go to page number 44. Book page 44. Number 1. First of all, you can see 1 change into improper fraction. Change into improper fraction. 2 into 2 by 3. You know what is it? What kind of fraction is? Mixed fraction. So we have to convert it improper fraction. Now look here. First of all, we have to write the denominator as the same 3. Now we will multiply 3 into 2. This 3 into 2. 3 into 2, and this denominator comes with addition. So here you can see 3 to the 6, 2 plus 8. 3 by 8. This is answer. 8 by 3. So I hope you understand that, and you will try the other one by yourself at home. So if number 2 to change into mixed fraction or integers, change like that. Number 1 7 by 3 is given. It's then what? Numerator is greater and numerator is less. So it is improper fraction, right? So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. How? First of all, we will divide 7 by 3. You can see 7, 2 3s are 6, remain 1. So the mixed fraction equal to, first we have to write the quotient 2, then the denominator will be the same 3, and the remainder will come as a numerator. Have you seen 2 and 1 by 3 is the mixed fraction, right? It is answer. So I hope you understand also that, and you know how to add or subtract. But I will show you for your home task so that you can complete it at home easily. So you can see number 3. Number 3, if you see number 3, 2, what is given? 1 and 2 by 3 plus 2 and 2 by 3. You see that both are mixed fraction, doesn't matter. First of all, we have to convert it improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. How much? 5 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 by 8. Now take the denominators 3 and 3. Here we should write here 3 and 3 make the LCM divided 1 1. So the LCM should be 3. So here LCM 3. So if we divide 3 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. So here is 5 is 13 by 3. We have to convert it mixed fraction. So we have to divide 13 by 3. 3 4s are 12, remain 1. So the denominator will be the same and the quotient will be the integer number and the remainder will be the numerator. So answer 4 and 1 by 3. I hope you understand that. So I will show you a subtractional problem. Look here. Number 14. You can see 2 and 1 by 3 minus 8 by 15. First of all, we have to convert it improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 and 1 7 by 3 minus 8 by 15. So we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 15. You can see 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So LCM equal to 3 into 5 equal to 15. So you can see this 15 is LCM. Now we have to divide this 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 5 quotient 5 7s are 35 minus 15 1s are 15. So 1 8s are 8. Then remain here 27 by 15. If you convert it into mixed fraction, you can see the 15 1 15 1s are 15 remain 12. So this will be answer, subtraction. So we have done the addition and subtraction as well as we have completed the missing numbers, how to find the missing numbers, the reduced form of fractions. I will show you another things. Number 4, the simplification. So it is important for you and you have to practice at home. Just wait. This is the last one for today's class. Be patient. Number 4. Okay, we'll solve number 6. 5 and 1 by 15 minus 1 and 3 by 5 minus 2 and 2 by 3. So what is our first duty? We have to convert it improper fraction. Look at 5 15 is 75 and plus 1 76 by 15 minus 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8 by 5 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8 8 by 3. So I hope you are understanding these problems. So now what will you do? First we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators is 15, 5 and 3. So you can see 15, 5 and 3. Now divide by 3, 5, 3 5s are 15. So here will 5 and 3 1s are 3. So now we can take another 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1. So LCM equal to how much? I think it is 15. So it is 15. LCM is 15. So you can say LCM 15. So we will write the as denominator 15. So if we divide this 15 by 15, 15 ones are 15, 1, then 176 are 76. Then 5 3s are 15, 3 8s are 24. Again 3 5s are 15. So 5 8s are how much? 40. Right? 3 5s are 15, 5 8s are 40. So right, 15 here. So 76. This is negative numbers, right? 24 minus 24 minus 40. We have to add these negative numbers. How much here will come? 24 plus 40, there is 64, right? But this is negative. So these two negative numbers will combine count 64, right? Then subtract how much? Then if you subtract 4 from 6, remaining 2, then it is 12, right? This is answer. It cannot be converted into improper fraction because it is a proper fraction or mixed fraction. You cannot convert it into mixed fraction because it is a proper fraction. Because you can see that it is numerator is less and denominator is greater. You cannot make it mixed fraction, so it will be the answer. I hope you understand. Less or more doesn't matter. If you please solve the others, I will write the home task. Just wait. First, I have to write the home task. Book page 38, number 2, 3, 4. Book page 44. One, two, three, four. This is your home task. Dear students, please try to understand. It is a critical. We are passing in critical time, so you have to solve it at home. I know you will face some problems. Doesn't matter. Just try by yourself and try to solve and try to understand. If you don't understand anything, please contact with us. We are in the link given below, or please contact with your nearby teachers. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.
अब करो